Today we have such an exciting video. We've never been able to film one of these before.
No.
In our lives.
In our whole lives.
And that is going to be an apartment tour. It's not our apartment, don't get things twisted. It's definitely not ours. We're here for a month. We were considering, like, do we do an apartment tour? It's not really our apartment.
You guys will not stop going on about an apartment tour.
Every message we get when we take a picture in the apartment or on TikTok
is apartment tour.
Guys, an apartment tour. So we feel like we should do it if you guys are asking for it.
Yeah, you guys want it, you're begging for it, you're dying for it, so you're gonna get one. You're gonna get one.
Exactly. Oh my god, I'm really excited.
It is the most beautiful part you will ever see in your whole lives. By the way, we're in Paris.
So you know we're in Paris.
If you're new here.
If you're new here, we're in Paris.
We're living in Paris for a month.
We've moved here.
And this is our humble abode.
And every gap year location we go to, we could do this, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Like apartment tour.
They're not going to be as good as this. This
is as good as it gets. This is like the best apartment
there is
we ever get.
This is the most beautiful place I've ever been in my whole life.
Same, and we get excited to come home because of how cute our apartment is. Like, we're going to be so devastated when we have to leave this apartment because it already feels like it's ours.
Like, it feels like home. It's a home away from home.
This is our door. It's stunning. It's been like painted, very pretty.
I wonder if it's hand painted.
I think it is.
No.
Like watercolours, kind of.
Yeah.
We've got this gorgeous panelling like all around. The ceilings are so high. Like, look. I feel like this is so trendy at the minute to have all of this.
Yeah, but this is like classic.
But it's literally stunning. So you've got like this table, really nice lamps. The lady that actually owns this apartment, you guys know we had a massive nightmare. We got cancelled on the day before, so we had to go for a friend of a friend to find this one. And the lady that owns it is apparently
in
really
fashion.
glamorous. She used to work in fashion, which would make sense. And all of our hangers are Chanel. Bookcase.
Oh yeah.
And we've got like scattered around the house loads of different types of books, but a lot of them are fashion. A lot of them are fashion books. So we do want to have a look through them because it's quite interesting.
Yeah. And all the doors are also mirrored.
Oh, look at these doors. Like,
wow.
Like, me and Grace don't even need to leave the apartment for it to shoot content.
No.
All of our content in here just is like, mwah. This is our living room. I love these chairs. I love the fireplace with the gold. Like, this is exactly how I want my house when I'm older. Like, all of the gold mirroring with the cream panels. Like, this is like my kind of interior. Like, I love it. Love the fireplace. It's so Parisian. I literally feel like an estate agent. Love these. Like, how stunning is that? You come over here and we've got a gorgeous balcony view. I love the curtains as well. Very like royal. Massive massive lamp. I've got all of my birthday cards up just to make it homely.
A house of home.
Like a house of home, as they say.
We have loads of chairs.
We've got a lot of chairs.
Which we don't sit
considering
in.
This house is for 2 people.
Yeah, there's a lot of chairs.
A lot of space for like guests. Not that we have any friends here.
And then we have a massive table.
If you look at the view in the mirror though, look at this view from the background as well. Like, it's just...
So, if you follow me, this is our dining room, which you might think we never use this. We actually eat dinner here every single night. Yeah, it's really nice to eat dinner here because we feel more like official. So, if we take you over here, we have a huge balcony. I mean, look at the glass detailing.
It's so stunning.
Like, if you go like right back, you guys will see this is like a huge... Like,
the ceilings are so high, like they double our height.
Balcony. And I have opened before, but it took me like 6 years to shut, so we'll never open it ever again. And then this is our dining room where me and Grace sit.
It's like big enough to feed a banquet.
I know. We literally just sit on these two. Got a chandelier.
It's a lovely chandelier.
This is my favourite candle. Emma bought it from England, bless her. And then we've got another fireplace.
With the same kind of mirror.
Look how cute the mirror selfies are here, guys.
Look.
And then this is actually a secret door. So like,
it's kind of hidden.
You would never know that's here because look at all the panelling. But if you go through here, you come into our kitchen. Nothing that fun, just like cleaning supplies that we don't touch. And then through here, another table. We don't touch this either. Plates. And then we have our fridge, which is just packed.
Oh my gosh.
Absolutely packed with the food.
Look how funny this is. I mean, we have only been in this apartment for like 3 days.
3 days, but this is like what we eat. And then just like 7-Ups and wine. That's basically all you need in Paris. Oven, microwave. We have like our crisps up here.
Our naughty snacks up there.
We have things like pastas, rice. This one, like, I literally couldn't live without chili sauce. That had to get bought. And then we have things like oven, dishwasher, washing machine. This is where we do our washing up every night, like this.
Like this.
And then we have all our cups and whatever.
Because we do love a tea, don't we?
Yeah, like this is our tea.
I bought Tetley from
This is our
England.
tea station. And then all my naked bars because they're my favourite food. Like, you guys can see we have actually got
The
quite a big
kitchen's actually really spacious.
Me and Grace both cook in here.
Like the whole apartment is so spacious.
It's lush. So now Grace is going to show you guys her
I
bedroom.
really want to use this shopping trolley.
I know.
Like I'm
we will
desperate
one
to use
day.
this shopping trolley.
Don't worry.
Follow me.
Guys, this apartment is so big, you guys don't even know.
Nobody.
No.
We've got a nice long hallway. Shall I show you my bathroom first?
Yeah.
This is my nice bathroom. Got a lovely bath. I do my makeup in here. I wash in here.
It's got all like gold detailing. I didn't
It's
notice
actually
that.
really pretty. Yeah, it's basically just a bathroom. And then this is a toilet because it's quite old fashioned. It's got a bum washer. Not that, well, I don't know if no one really has them in their houses.
No.
So we've got a bum washer. And we've got a toilet. Some nice funky wallpaper.
It's very funky. And then you guys aren't ready for Grace's bedroom. This is Blair Waldorf. Like Blair Waldorf's bedroom in Gossip Girl, this is it.
I feel like it is this.
No, it is.
Maybe
we need to
one
look
she
it
has in
up.
Paris.
We need to look it up.
It looks exactly like this. So, are you ready? You're not ready. Ta-da! This is my bedroom. So, the thing that like I loved about this room was this. This was like the highlight of it for me because I just love, well, I mean there is an office there. It's a bit awkward. There is an office there. Like, I can watch them and they can watch me. But I just love these curtains. They're so like royal. And I've got a little balcony, not that I would like really open that because it's like winter, but I've got my own little fireplace. I've put my little Chanel purchases on there. Put my birthday flower on there.
They're so
well.
cute.
Kind of wish the Dyson Airwrap wasn't there. It kind of ruins the Parisian
Yeah,
look.
Parisian look. Like a Parisian.
And then it's like the glass. I don't know if it's meant to be like this.
Like moulded.
No, but not moulded, but like
Moulded.
it's like,
Not moulded, but like moulded.
like shabby chic, but I don't know if it's meant to look like that.
But like
it looks
moulded.
like that. I've got my jewellery in a little dish. The bed is gorgeous, like satin. I love the walls and the panelling. If you look up to the ceiling, it's got panelling around the ceiling, which is just so stunning. Like I literally, like this is like my dream bedroom.
Yeah.
And I love all like the fashion paintings as well that are on the walls. I just love these. I've got my handbags up there because I just thought those shelves would be cute for handbags. And then over here, my little sleep mask. I love these lamps as well actually. And then I've got this is my like, I can't speak. This is like my hair station. So I do my hair here. This is a bowl of hair tools. Like I've got my headbands and stuff in there. And then yeah,
French
handbags.
book.
Yep, I got my French phrase book Nicola got me. I got my portrait done in Montmartre.
She's got that?
People come up to you and they just start painting you and then you have to pay them €20. But I got it.
She
as a
basically got
souvenir.
scammed, but it's a really cute. It's actually really cute.
And look, she's got like fashion books here. That one's like all the fashion places in to go in Paris. So I want to look through that. These are like my day clothes. So that everything fits perfectly and there was just enough hangers.
Yeah.
Like there was just enough. So these are all my clothes, very beige. But what more would you want in Paris? Like I literally only bought beige and black clothes.
There was a pop of red in there.
Yeah, that's great. And then this is like just another random wardrobe. So these are my like evening outfits, and then I've got my boots. Then if you go up here, I've got a shoe rack. I wish I had this in my wardrobe at home because mine are all just chucked to the bottom of my wardrobe because I don't have a rack. And then this is like scarves, hats, jeans, knickers, fluffy socks, random bag that I used today. Lounge wear and then pyjamas.
And look how cute her door is.
The door is just stunning.
We need to look up about Blair Waldorf's.
I feel like her room does look like this.
Well, I'm going to set a picture of it right here next to Grace because
It's just similar vibe, isn't it?
yeah, it is.
I just love my room. That's my room.
So you guys see that there's the kitchen.
And like, it is actually a very, very long walk.
This is my bathroom. So we just got like my essentials. Here's my bowl. Where are you know?
Wash.
I have an electric toilet. One button is for solids and one's for liquids, if you know what I mean. And then I have like my essentials, guys. Down here is what I stole from a hotel.
No, it's not stolen. You're allowed to use it.
Yeah, it's free, but I took it all because I just thought we have to buy our own shit.
I know. I need to go out and buy some shower gel actually.
Well, you can use one of them.
Can I?
My shampoos and conditioners. Just had a really nice shower. I mean, it's a demonstration. It's a nice big shower actually, to be fair.
Quite spacious.
And everything's like mirror doored. In here is my bedroom, all mirror doored. And again, we were saying, you know how like Grace's bedroom is Blair's bedroom? This is very similar to like Serena's.
Yes, we literally feel like them.
So here's my bedroom. Oh, that one doesn't open. I've got the mirror, I've got my bags and my shoes. This is like, I actually also do have a balcony.
Yeah, you do.
But will I ever go on it? No.
Probably not. I mean, it's not really a balcony. Neither of them
No,
are.
it is. Like, you can step out.
You can stand on it, but like,
and we've got...
could you sit? Probably not.
No, you couldn't sit. This is really big. And again, if you guys look at the ceilings, like look at that ceiling. It's the same as Grace's, how it's all like...
So pretty.
You can tell it was like originally done like that. So I have a desk. So I have like my gloves. I have my jewellery. I have stuff like scrunchies. My camera. I don't actually sit on this desk, to be honest. And then this is like where all my shit goes. So I got, my sister got me this perfume for my birthday, so YSL. This is a keychain, my makeup. I just basically get ready here. And again, a lovely moulded mirror. But like, look how beautiful it is.
And I look at the chandelier.
And like right up there, you guys can see it's all like stunning. Then I've just got my bedside table, like my earplugs. Random little things I need. Here's Grace for my bed. This shows how big the bed is. Like, it's huge. I'm used to a single bed at home, so this is like... I feel like it's... Yeah, you're gonna... It's just beautiful. And like, it's just stunning. All the rooms are just stunning here. So, this is one of the wardrobes. All my coats. And then this is all like fur coats, jackets and jumpers. In this one, these are all of my dresses, and as Grace said, like, she has really nice hangers because I'm pretty sure, well,
She worked in fashion apparently.
Yeah, she bought a lot of Chanel. And then like all of these come out, which is really fun. So like,
Yeah, that is fun.
oh, I fell over. There's my shoes. In this one, I just have like the essentials that are quite ugly, like knickers, things you guys don't need to see. And then when you come out, you're back into the view
Of the Parisian apartment.
So that's everything.
That is the whole apartment tour.
We hope you guys love as much
we
as
love.
we do.
You're gonna love.
Like, if you don't, you're on drugs. Like, it's literally the most beautiful apartment I've ever seen in my whole life.
Honestly, it kind of like has motivated us to do like really well in life so we can live somewhere like this permanently. And also, we want to actually permanently move to Paris. Like,
yeah.
We're gonna travel a bit, but
We prefer it to London.
I prefer Paris to London.
Same. So, bye. No, I'm joking. Like, by London, I mean, not by you guys, so that was a bit rude. I mean, like, by London. Like, we prefer Paris a lot more, but we might change our minds, who knows?
Who knows? But at the minute, we're thinking
Paris.
Paris.
For us,
Let's move
it feels
to
like home.
It literally does. Very
This
beautified
apartment
days.
feels like home to me.
Oh, but it's not, is it? And that's the hard thing. That's a harsh
And
reality.
it's so warm, because I've it's so funny, like, she was like, oh yeah, put the heating on 18.5, it's 21.5. And it's just warm enough for me.
I could do a bit warmer, to be
Same.
honest.
I don't want to like
I feel
get
like
told off.
I feel like because it's quite like a big apartment and the ceilings are really high, you need like
Really
heating
hot.
really high. Cause
I wish I could show, we really wish we could show you guys like around our apartment block, because it's that beautiful, but obviously because of security reasons I'm not going to, but like just everything's like, it's so
Everything's-
the staircase, like the walk up here is beautiful.
everything
like,
is lovely.
maybe we'll show you guys once we're leaving, but
Yes.
for now this is all you guys are gonna get. But we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.